Every day you make a choice to either stay the same or to transform your body and your strength, and one of the simplest yet most powerful exercises you can do is the dip, and today we explore why doing 100 dips every single day can completely change the way your upper body looks, feels, and performs. Dips are a pure bodyweight movement that targets the chest, the triceps, and the shoulders, and when you commit to doing 100 reps a day, you are giving your body a message that it must grow stronger and more resilient. This is not just another workout challenge. This is a test of discipline, a test of consistency, and a test of how much pressure your body can adapt to when you push it consistently. The reason 100 daily dips work so well is simple. Your body responds to high-frequency training with rapid adaptation, and every rep increases your endurance, your strength, and your muscle control. Dips are one of the rare exercises where you lift your entire body weight using only your arms and chest, and doing that 100 times a day builds a level of upper body power that few people ever achieve. One of the biggest benefits is tricep growth, because the triceps make up most of your arm size, and dips isolate them perfectly. If you dream of building thick, powerful, and defined arms, then daily dips will help you reach that goal much faster. And when you mix in the chest activation, dips become a full upper body sculpting tool. Your shoulders also develop stability, strength, and balance from daily dips, because holding your entire body on 2 bars forces the smaller stabilizing muscles to fire and improve. Over time, you will notice your pushing strength improve in everything you do, from push-ups to bench presses to daily activities that require strength. And the benefits are not only physical. Dips demand mental discipline, because completing 100 reps every single day is not easy. Some days your arms will feel tired, your chest will feel sore, and your energy will be low, but when you push through anyway, you build a mindset of unbreakable consistency. This mindset often becomes more valuable than the physical results, because it teaches you to win even when you do not feel motivated. Daily dips also improve shoulder mobility and help your joints handle force better. By moving through a deep and controlled range of motion, your joints learn to support your body without breaking under pressure, and this reduces your risk of injury over time, but only if you perform each dip with proper form and control. Another advantage of daily dips is how quickly they burn calories and increase your metabolism. Dips engage large upper body muscles, and when those muscles work hard, they demand more energy from your body. This leads to fat loss, muscle toning, and a leaner appearance without needing long workout sessions. If you stay consistent for weeks, your body begins to transform. Your upper chest becomes more defined, your triceps grow wider, and your shoulders become rounder and stronger. You start feeling more confident when you move, when you lift, and even when you look in the mirror, because you can see the results of your discipline. But the true reward comes when you realize that 100 daily dips are not just a workout, they are a lifestyle habit, a routine that teaches you to challenge yourself and overcome your limits. And once you build this habit, you can apply the same discipline to anything in your life. So if you want a simple yet powerful exercise that builds muscle, increases strength, improves endurance, and strengthens your mind, start doing 100 dips every day. Consistency will reshape your body, and your discipline will reshape your life.